Are you getting this kind of SMS fee problem whenever Telegram sends you a verification code? In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem so you can sign up or log in without paying extra. First, let me try to sign up for Telegram without changing any settings. After entering the email OTP, instead of sending an OTP to my phone number, I got this error. Usually people from USA, Pakistan, India, and African countries are getting this message. Telegram started this after a lot of scammers tried to attack the Telegram account. To fix this, first go to Settings and Open Apps. Search for Telegram. Open Permissions. Scroll down and select Locations. Here, select Don't Allow Location Access for the app. Next step, open any VPN app. I will leave the link to the VPN app in the description. Click on Choose Location here. Here, select any England servers. Here it should show Connected. Now, let me try to create Telegram account with same number. See, now it is not showing the SMS fee message. It sent the OTP to my phone number. Let me enter the OTP. I'm able to create an account without having to pay any fee for SMS. If you still get that SMS fee problem, you can get any permanent virtual numbers for less than 30 cents and create a Telegram account. You can watch this video on how to create Telegram account with virtual number. I will leave the link to this video in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.